Good morning everyone, welcome back. We are sorry again that we haven't posted for like 10 days, but it's just been a bit manic. We've been Centre Parks and just getting ready for Christmas shopping and putting the decorations up really. We have got a really exciting evening planned and the elf has joined us again, hasn't he? So today is our local town's late night shopping event where we have been asked to take Patch to the Tack Shed, which is our local tack shop that sponsors Ivy and Patch. So we are going to go down with Patch, dress her up as a reindeer and greet people that come to the shop to say hi and hopefully buy something for Christmas. So, you okay? So today's plan is Ivy has swimming on a Friday, so that's usually what happens.
This is on Friday, yes.
Yeah.
On this day.
On this day, and then she goes straight to nursery from there. So I'm going to drop her off at nursery about 10:15 after her swimming lesson.
After swimming.
After swimming. Then
I love swimming!
yeah, I want to know. And then I am going to come home, get a little bit organised here, pack Ivy some tea, do any jobs that I need to do here, and then I'm going to pick her up early. So Ivy usually finishes at 3:30, but I'm going to pick her up about 2:30. Someone's excited. And go straight down to the stables. We need to give Patch a really good groom because she hasn't been groomed for a couple of days and has been out in the mud. And then lunge her, because if anybody follows us on Instagram, if Patch doesn't get ridden or exercised for at least 2 days, she's always a bit fruity. So I'm going to go and do that. Lunge her, groom her, get her in the trailer and then get her down to the tack shed for about 10 to 5. The event's 5 till 8. When we're there, the plan is that we're going to dress her up, make sure she's got plenty of hair, and let people come and have a stroke, have a say hello, say hello, and have a picture with Patch. And I think people that come get a free drink and a mince pie. So that will be really, really lovely. I just hope Patch behaves because, yeah, Patch is the most unpredictable pony I've ever met in my life. Some days she is as good as gold, like, cannot fault her, is amazing. Wouldn't even dream of doing anything naughty. Are you done? That is disgusting. And then other days she is like
Hyper.
yeah, like stupidly hyper.
Yeah.
I'm really naughty. So it just depends how she's feeling. I'm going to make sure she's well fed, she's been exercised, and then hopefully she will behave her little self tonight. Sam, we're going to take you with us and yeah, let's have some Christmas fun. So just got to the stables. We're going to bring Patch in, give her a bit of a pamper so she doesn't like a mud monster. Hi baby! We got an exciting night. You have no idea what's in for you. We're going to dress her up as a reindeer, Ives. Oh, pheasant! Does that make you jump? Are you going to tell her where we're going?
We're going to Tack Shed.
And what are we dressing her up as?
Rudolph.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. You excited, Patchy? You're going to meet lots of people tonight. You better be on your best behaviour. We don't want a Shetland pony running around the town, do we? Because that would be no good. Make sure she's got lots of food so she's full.
Yeah. So you got a lot of food.
So we have got Patch in, but somebody has been, oh you can't see her, a bit of a monkey basically, and has decided that she doesn't like loading, so that's really fun. So we have arrived It's a bit stressful turning the trail around. There is the tack shed. Ivy's here, full of it. Patchy, are you going to be a reindeer? You going to be a good girl? Hey, look at all this. Come on then. Oh, it looks so good, guys. That is amazing. And relax, we are back. I didn't actually vlog anything. I'm going to put some pictures at the end of this to show you what it was like. But we had loads and loads of people come visit us, which was lovely. And Patch was so good. Like, I could not have followed her. She stood for like 4 hours and just got pampered and groomed and cuddled. Everyone took pictures with her, which was really nice. She got a little bit fed up towards the end. She was ready for home. She ended up going into the tack shed, into the actual shop, which was quite a laugh. Ivy has been a bit of a monkey this evening, so she's come home early. And I've just got back now from taking Patch back to the stables. So I'm having some cereal and I am going to bed. Ivy is in the front room, not eating her cereal. But yeah, sorry this is a really super short one. I thought I would have been able to get more footage, but it's just been really tricky. But yeah, enjoy the pictures.